What's up fam, it's Life with CaityB here, and I just finished getting my shoes switched over. Sorry if I look like this. I don't know where my mom went actually. So I'm at a mall right now. Y'all can probably guess where it is if you're in Melbourne. I'm just at a mall right now, and I just got my Christmas shoes exchanged over to a smaller size. And today me and my mom are gonna go to the city, take some photos just for a new intro video. And right now we're looking for my uncle who doesn't have his phone, because he was coming to drop us off, get my shoes exchanged, and then he can take the rest of the shoes home and then drop us off to the station to catch the train to the city. I don't know where my mum is. Good talk guys. Yeah, that's how I look today. I'm gonna get better. I'm gonna look better. I got my makeup just in case, you know, sis don't want to look ratchet. But yeah, I'm trying to look for my uncle right now. I don't know where he is. I'm so lost right now. Okay fam, just found my uncle. Should have been obvious that he was parked to like the biggest one van that we've ever seen since we got here. We should have known. So he's parked like right next to my uncle down there, but we didn't know it was his van because a lot of people have that same van. I smell the sausage sizzle. It's a Saturday today. Happy New Year and a late Merry Christmas to everyone. I forgot to put it in my baking video, but that video I did like a while back, so it's, you know, for y'all. Catch up with y'all when we get to a train station, fam. Boom! So we are now at the train station, me and my mama. She's trying to hide from the camera, but my mom is beautiful, guys. Oh, that lighting is amazing! Yeah, this is my mom, guys. She always hides her face, and this is really awkward because a lot of people are looking. But this is my mom. She won't look at me. Yeah, so we're just gonna find out. Oh, no? Who? Oh, we are. Yeah, so yeah, never mind. I should record later. So we're at the train station now. I'm sure y'all know where we're at now if you're from this area. So yeah. Just gonna wait for our train to come, guys. Look at that forehead, bro. Holy moly. Snappily do. Yep. Yeah, so this is gonna be my first ever vlog. Oh my god. It actually feels pretty cool. My mom doesn't want to hear my crap right now. Should I play some music on my speaker? But I can't, and I can't play music and record because copyright, guys. But if you haven't already, go follow my sis who just started YouTubing. I'll have the name down below. Y'all better go follow her on Instagram and check out our YouTube page. Not looking like a snack kid. Oh, not at all. This is my outfit, guys. I love Puma, by the way. Puma is my brand, but it's sort of like an expensive brand, so I don't really get much of their t-shirts and stuff like that. So I just get other like Adidas and stuff, because in my mall over here they don't have any Puma gear, so it's like I have to go all the way to, I don't know if you guys know where Uni Hill is, but somewhere, yeah, it's a mall called Uni Hill. They have a Puma store, Nike store and all that, and that's where I can get my stuff. When I do go there, there's nothing that I'm interested in. Come on Puma, kick up your game. I need some Puma gear. And if y'all want to sponsor me, you know, just let me know. Pascal Lima. Getting mad and we just got here. Oh, my mom knows how to work the camera. I didn't know how to work cameras much, but I didn't know that the stabilizer was off. And she put it on. Thanks, Mom. So yeah. My mom's still beautiful. You're beautiful. You gotta be careful around here because you never know when you're gonna get run over. Yeah. Melbourne. Yo. Let's go. So guys, if it wasn't for AJ, my girl AJ, taking me to those car park rooftop things, I would have never known to go up there. So I didn't know you're allowed. Oh, maybe you're not, but I don't know. But where, how's your? It's my mom's first time, by the way. And Culture Kings is just off the side of the building. What do you think? A lot of new tagging graffiti thing over here. Look at those eye bags. There's actually a lot of graffiti lanes here. There's AC/DC lane, there's this lane, and heaps of other lanes actually. Pretty much. This is not far from Flinders Street, guys. Just search up Hosier Lane if you haven't been there before. Me and my mom are so hungry right now. We just got to the city like 2 minutes ago. Am I right or am I right? Oh, this is the parking that I. Oh, there's AC/DC lane. When we're rich, we're gonna eat them. Because it's got rock stars and stuff here. So guys, I gotta put my jacket on the camera because it's raining a little bit wet right now, but you know the sacrifices you gotta make. I love rain, by the way. I love rain. So yeah, hopefully my jacket doesn't break the mic. I'm scared I might slip right now, but we're just gonna go get some coffee, I think. Coffee! No, we don't usually do this coffee stuff. You know, why not? We're in the city, let's treat ourselves. Where's the love? Where's the love, man? Never loved me, let's go. So I hope you guys like AC/DC Lane, Hosier Lane. I really want to go check out this record. One of my favorite Australian rappers, artists. His name's Remy, and he always goes to, apparently, I'm not a stalker or anything, but he always goes to this record store. I can't remember what it's called. I think it's called Southside Records. I'm gonna go there. Is there any place that you really wanted to check out? Come in the city? True. Yeah, so this is like the rich area, you know what I'm saying? If you want a snack, you just come here, get a, you know, $50 coffee, $50 coffee. I don't even have $50 in my account right now. You know what I'm saying? Can't afford no $50 coffee. Oh, I'd just take that over if I could fit it. It's so weird, I'm gonna slip on it. So once we find an escalator, we'll probably go upstairs to where secret sneaker stores. Oh, I like secret store. Yeah, so once we get upstairs, we're gonna go to a secret sneaker store. I'm sure it's on this side. I don't know. Somebody help me out. Anybody? Now we're gonna go Hoka-chan. Sorry, bro. Yeah, sorry guys. Yeah, okay, watch us eat. Now my feet are sore now. I'm done. My feet are dead. Oh, I'm still got enough walk in me to try this Hoka-chan. That's in Japan. I feel like I'm in Japan right now. Hey guys, we're at Hoka-chan's now. Yeah, nice Chinese food, you know what I'm saying? Enjoying our view at our apartment.
Master, Tornado, Cyclone, Crane, Tigress, Fat Amy, Omnitrix, Spider-Man, Flash, da-na-na-na-na-na, Batman, da-na-na-na-na-na, Batman.
So now we're heading back home. We're heading back home now. It smells like crack. I'm just gonna head back home now. Tired, really tired. But we're gonna head home now, and we'll see you guys when we get home, or to the train station, I guess. Adios, amigos. their dancing career turns out well. I better see them beat BTS because I'm sick of hearing about BTS. Oh my goodness. So glad we're heading back now. Qua lille Lemme. Oh, these
some of the biggest football matches.
It is currently the time right now.